Hello everybody. Decided to whip out my microphone this time as well. But yeah, anyway, if you look closely, this is a devlog of Pearest Sandbox. Yeah, gun, that's right. Working on the gun, you can I was just testing and I added a gun to your hand, but I made this. Currently I don't have my gun equipped, but it still shows. I'll fix that later. And you press tab to equip it. It's equipped. Now you can see I shoot. I made some particles, you can see. It's very nice. I was planning to make like that these teenagers are a bit scared of it. It doesn't shoot anything as of right now. I'm with just making animations mostly, and the particles and the animations. And I was trying to make it like I didn't make I made the sound effect like a year ago or two. Yeah, a year ago. I was making it for another game, but I'm not making that game right now. It's kind of like sitting on my SSD. I have 3 storage devices: a hard disk, a hard drive, and an SSD, and 2 SSDs. But yeah, I was trying to make the gun feel like it's really strong. I haven't made any recoil, I've only made the animations and particles. But yeah, I was trying to make it feel like it's really strong. So I used that sound effect. It was the best sound effect I ever made. I went like this, right? I don't know. Yeah, I just like made noises into my microphone. It was like not like it was not like me. It was like I made like tried to make an explosion sound in my microphone, and I added a lot of post processing. That's how I made it. Yeah, I'm just trying to make the gun feel like strong. I'll add some recoil, and then I'll make the actual shooting system. And oops. And I'll make also the fact that when you put your gun away, it goes away instead of you just not being able to shoot. I spent quite a long time making the particles, honestly. It's a nice particle system, but yeah, I was trying to make it look the best that I could. Decided to make it quite simple. I might remake the particles sometime in the future. The explosion particles, definitely. The fire particles, definitely I will remake sometime. Smoke particles, I don't know, I might keep them the way it is. Also, ammo, yes, that soon. Gun clipping might fix that. I don't know if I really will fix it, but yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh no, I just realized. Kids playground? Oh no. And also I will probably make that you can drop your gun. Maybe, I don't know. Oh wait, I haven't dropped bouncy teenager from here. And crosshair, I will make that soon. Now I'll make it disappear when you put away your gun. The crosshair. Unless actually I will keep it like for example if I make picking up system. Yeah. And yeah, overall, pretty good. I guess, yeah. I just wanted to mostly show the gun system. That's all. Yeah, I will make it really good. It will probably be mostly complete in the next devlog, the gun system. Yeah. Also, when I was programming the gun, I didn't even mostly code anything. What I just did is I made it all into one animation. The particles get triggered by the cutscene sequence. The animation plays. Yeah, everything is just done, and all that my code does is it checks if your gun is equipped, and then if yes, then it checks if the cutscene is playing. If no, then it plays the cutscene. That's all it does. So yeah, quite amazing. But yeah, that's what I did. Bye.